What happened?
She could not see properly before she came to this meeting. Pastor Bright is a witness. She even suffered memory loss.
Bright, you know her?
They were trusting God for healing.
Our church.
She's a minister too.
Yes, sir.
And she worships now, Bright.
Yes, she was.
So,
As she prayed, the power of God touched her. She has checked herself. The memory loss
is gone.
is gone.
And memory is restored.
She can respond very actively to the glory of God.
Ezekeze in Diego. Ezekeze in Diego. Ezekeze in Diego. Oye na pe aza in Diego.
Another case of 3 years memory loss and seizure that made her lose her job in Abuja.
Oh my
God
God.
just healed her now to the glory of his name.
I'm remembering now, the seizure is not happening.
Whenever you remember
Yes,
things,
I try to remember. When
Put the
I
mic.
try to use my brain, I'm always having seizure. Right now, I'm telling you that it started January 2020, July, a date to my passing out. I didn't even know I was a copper. Because when it happened,
a date you're passing out, you didn't even know you were a copper. Your memory was wiped off.
Everything was wiped. I don't remember. Each time I try to remember.
Wait. Each time you try to remember,
a seizure happens. I had to even leave my job. I was managing, but now it became worse. I had to even leave my job. I told them to give me a break. Let me check myself. Let me see. But still, it was happening.
so you are remembering things now.
Am I not the one telling you?
Wow! Power! Hey! Power!
She says anytime she tries to remember, there is seizure. But that devil, whatever day, week, month you've wasted, by reason of this satanic harassment, recover them sevenfold. Every time, moment, week, month you've wasted because of this harassment, recover them in the name of Jesus. Congratulations, your time has come.